So welcome back to another video on hotkeys. I just can't get enough of hotkeys. I love them. They are amazing, and if you don't know about them, then go and research them. They help in editing so much. So today's update is just going to be a little bit on what I've been doing, the hotkeys that I've been developing, and how I've been tweaking some of the older ones to work a little bit better. The first update that I've got for you all is definitely going to be the mouse position after it's done a hotkey. So for example, after it's done Shift 1, which moves it to the effects bin here, bam, 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 bam. But if you'll notice, it no longer moves around on the screen, so it no longer has that movement. I can just switch between these bins up here, and the mouse no longer slowly starts to drag down here or move up here or move to another monitor. It stays in the exact same position, and that is because I've started using coordinate mode. So I've set the coordinate mode to screen, so now it interprets the coordinates as a direct location on my monitors rather than being a location relative to the program, which could change with whichever panel is selected in Premiere. So that was my main one. So now I can kind of flip between bins and it's okay. I can just move between them and it works well. The second one is that I've updated my effects hotkey, the one that selects the effects tab up here. This one's really, just me being nitpicky. I found that I used to have it so that it would move up to the bin, select it, click on here, click backspace, and then I could input text. There's no real reason for that to be existent anymore, so I removed that code. That's gone. All of this again will be up on my GitHub, so if you want to, there'll be two separate folders, old and then new. New will be in the main directory and old will be in a separate file, so you can go and check those out and compare them and see what I've changed. So let's now talk about the big hotkey, the one that I've been really working on and fine-tuning, and I've got it perfect now. This allows me to select a clip and hold down a key, so numpad 1, and then I can scroll upwards and it increases the scale of a clip on the screen. This is super useful, and the code is up on my GitHub, so go look at it. I'll go through it really quickly now. So scroll variable change, it's super easy. Once it detects that I'm holding down numpad 1, it will stick it into a loop. It just holds my mouse there so I can't move it around and mess it up. Then the scroll state down here, it's just using a few more virtual keys. I've already talked about them in a previous video. Go and check that out if you want to. Basically, the problem was whenever you scroll up, it's not actually sending scroll up, it's counting a tick of a rotation of the wheel. So basically, I can get auto hotkey to detect that one tick has completed, but I can't get it to detect whether the state is up or down because it's not a physical key. Whenever I scroll the wheel up, it sends a virtual key. The virtual key then gets the state of numpad 1, numpad 4, and numpad 7, my 4 keys that I use to change the scale. And then it will execute it so that it finds out the current number in the text box. It puts that into a variable. It will then add, either plus 0.2, plus 5, or plus 10 to that, and then input that variable, sleep for 1 millisecond, and then go to the end. It's exactly the same code for wheel down, and then I can middle mouse and it will reset it back to 100. Apart from that, all I'm really working on is this review of the Pebble Time round. I got a new camera recently, so these shots are going to look glamorous, and that'll be coming in the probably next few days. If I can, get the hustle on. It's nearly done. It's nearly done. I've just got a few scenes that I have to do here and here, but pretty much half of the timeline is complete. So thanks for watching this quick update video on my hotkeys and, of the projects I'm working on. I'll have another update video, but mainly on the channel stuff coming soon. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.